Hello everyone, I'm Harder D. We're back playing Resident Evil 7. We just got through the basement. Three guys jumped me and I had to use all of my shotgun ammo, which really sucks. And what... Wait, oh wait. Oh, excuse me. That's this key. Alrighty. Whoa! Hello. What's this? Oh! Dog head. Oh!
I was gonna be a father. Now she says he will be
Oh, that's
the
the
father.
cop.
No. I will find him, and I will make him suffer.
Who, the cop?
My friend.
Oh, whoa, something's happening to him. Oh. I wanted that dog head. And then Jack has to come and be an ass. Because that's why it's called a jackass. Oh man, sometimes I kill myself. Alright. Let's see, any other ammo? Stupid Jack took my dog head. Alright, look around. Okay. What's that on the floor? What is that? No, just a random bit of nothing. Alright, so Jack's here now. Jeez, that man really gets around the house. Oh, I'm gonna probably have to battle him again, but without the car, because I'm getting a lot of shotgun ammo and stuff like that. Usually when you get a bunch of ammo in a game, that's when you have to, like, battle him, or do a boss battle. Alright. Am I noticing any items? No. That seems to be locked. Okay. Oh, hey. This is where he came from. Oh, hey, buddy. Oh. Well, yeah, look at him. Ew, he's like pulsing. Ew. There's a pig carcass. What the poop am I hearing now? Oh, more chem fluid. Perfect. Am I hearing something? I can't tell if I'm like hearing like footsteps or just this stuff like pulsating. Can I smack him just for my own? I cannot stab him. It would have made me felt a whole lot better if I could just stab him. Alright. Okay. Now. What's this? Oh yeah! I mean, this is probably a person, and I'm the most... Ooh, what's that? Oh, that's the dog. You know what, I'm gonna explore a little bit first, because, yeah, you don't just run at the dog head, because last time I looked at the dog head, it wonderfully tried. I mean, Jack took it, so... Jack just doesn't disappear. No, this is super gross. Has nobody heard about wiping down their workstation? Come on, how is this supposed to even freeze if you got the door propped open? Honestly, if I was a serial killer, I would be much more organized than this. Like, this stuff should be, like, refrigerated and, like, properly stored, like, up... Ugh. Terrible. What's this? Oh, that's the snake door. Oh. Okay. Guess I can't go down there. Oh, I really don't like this. Hello. You do not have enough space. Are you kidding me? I'm out of space. And apparently I also forgot to set my timer. Good for me. So, yeah. Oh, wait, I have a timer on... Oh, I have also a timer on my thing there. Well, that's good to know. I am silly Billy. Alright, let's go all the way back because I picked up a bunch of ammo and crap. And hopefully there's not more of these stupid, weird, gross guy thingies. Stop oozing. I don't like that sound. Every time it oozes, it just makes me think about as if there's, you know, guys coming out of the walls or something. Alright, up here. I hate that, like, my run is just like a springful light jog. It's like, if your life's in danger, can you at least, you know, give it a bit of a hustle? Do the hustle. Alright, so, okay, I'm gonna move this. no. What are you doing? I want to be that. There you go. Because if I'm right, that puts it in that slot. This puts it over here, and I'm just gonna drop this ammo there. If I'm right, yeah, shotgun's to the right. Okay, I just like my shotgun to be in the right. All right, and we're just gonna save. See, again, save horror. Always save. Always save. Always gather items. I click no. Even the PlayStation's all like, "The fuck you doing?" Alright, the happy little sailor there is like, "Alright, man, just get downstairs and, like, take on the boss again." So if this guy's indestructible, or immortal, like, it's not indestructible, but immortal, like, why am I continuing to fight him? I feel like that's slipping. Why am I continuing to fight him? Like, Ethan, obviously if you can't destroy him, you just leave him alone. Just be all like, "Well, I'm just going to slip around you because you're not going to die anyways, and I don't feel like using my resources." Like, in a horror game, you only have one thing, and that's, like, ammunition and health. And if you're using both of those to defeat an enemy that you can't actually defeat, then really you're just wasting materials. Alright, we're back. Da-da-da-da-da, I'm loving it. Yeah, sometimes. Alright, auto-saving. That's probably like auto-saving, now that you actually have room to grab this stuff. Alright, here we go. Get ready for this, guys. I'm gonna back up so that I'm not rumbling the thing when I, like, freak out and panic. Okay, got the head, and yep, there he is! Hey, Jack, you're looking much better. Ooh, that's gotta hurt. Oh, look at he's got an axe. Look, he's got an axe. I don't like that.
Ain't getting away.
Oh, nope, that didn't. So I have these things. I'm gonna... It knocked him. Oh, no, I missed. Run away. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. I always forget that I can block. Like... Mom's got a boo-boo.
You got yourself a boo-boo.
Where are you at? Where are you at? Aha! Take that! Am I supposed to be, like... Is that just to, like, throw him off or something? No thank you. No thank you. No thank you. Shot through the head, and that's nothing, 'cause I am Jack Baker. Okay, I don't have a song for that, but... Boo, yeah! Ooh, what's that? Chainsaw? Chainsaw? Oh, now he's gonna get a chainsaw? Haven't I been screwed enough by this guy? Nope. Okay, I gotta remember how to block. Take that. Can I do something? Is there a melee attack? I feel like there would be a melee attack if I can... Nope. A little bit tired. Could probably go for a coffee.
Right.
Where you at? Oh, you're right behind me. Like, why am I not able to do anything? Like, I feel like this should be a perfect opportunity for me to, like, do a super kick or something against him. Oh, what are you doing? No. Wait. Yes! Thank you. What the hell do you have? You got like a giant scissor. I have a chainsaw. Okay, to be fair, though, I have a chainsaw, so I'm pretty happy. Okay. Back. I am literally... What happened? Jeez! Oh my god, my cord probably did a pooper or something like that. Block! Ooh! Ethan, you still alive? Ish. Come on. Yeah! Yeah, right in the butt! Oh! Oh, hey, that's useful. Turn back on, please. Really need my chainsaw to be running for this battle. Take that! Yeah! I'm just gonna continue doing this. Oh, are you kidding me? What's my HP like? Okay, I'm still yelling. Oh, no. I'm good, thank you, I'm good. Yeah, but you're not. Like this. Oh, why are you not on? I hit the button like 50 times. I'm good.
You gonna die.
Why are you not being knocked? Come on. Oh, before it worked, and now this thing ain't working. There we go. Right in the butt. Right in the butt. Yeah. Oh man, I was getting him. I had it in the butt. Can you run, Ethan? I really hate this character, by the way. Full like, again, really wants to run. Ew, gross. Oh, things working. Things working. Does seem pretty cinematic. Oh, what the boost? No. Oh. Oh, no. No. Oh, I can't chainsaw it anymore. Okay. Okay, he's in half now. I agree.
Do me a
Though I
favor.
will say, guys,
Stay
I now have a
dead.
chainsaw. I am not ever going to put this baby down. This is mine. There's another shotgun ammo. Who needs shotgun ammo? I have a freaking chainsaw. Oh, what's it? Oh, don't use it on metal. That's how you wreck it. Just slide it. You're breaking. Oh, you broke my chainsaw, Ethan. Chainsaw. I just wanted the chainsaw. Well, now I'm going to pout. Great. Now I got the thing. Great. Oh yeah, I can't go back through there. There's the cop. I just wanted a chainsaw. Finally, the game gave me a chainsaw for one battle, and then it's just all like, nope. Could you imagine how much I just was talking about a melee weapon. Can you imagine how much better I would love this game if I could literally use a chainsaw? There we go. I'm disappointed. What is my health? Oh, we're in the red. Alright, let's definitely use one of these. Delicious. I love that I'm just like pouring like straight alcohol onto me. Just like, here we go. You know, maybe take a swig myself, because that's how you heal wounds in the olden days. What is that? Oh! Oh, geez, Grandma, you really get around. Yeah, okay, you're still creepy as hell. See? Chainsaw. I'm still gonna say that she's probably the final villain. Like, you don't have someone who's just there, but not really there, without them being like some sort of like weird god thing that's going to rip me apart. Alright. Well, we got through that. So we defeated the first Baker. I hope I defeated him for the second time, so hopefully he stays dead, as Ethan clearly points out, and I destroyed my chainsaw. So we're going to call it there for now. I'm definitely looking forward to possibly battling the rest of the Bakers, now that Jack's possibly gone. So anyways, you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'm looking forward to playing more with you. So until next time, bye-bye.